Go.
Guys, look at these cats. Look, they're fighting. I'm playing, fighting. That one in there is Tigger.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger was
No, he's Tigger.
making the jiggy one cry.
Yeah, I know. Fanta. Making Fanta cry. Right, don't look at me. Just get her. Get him. Is it her or him?
Watch somebody starting to be beaten up now. Just checking all the smells in a minute.
Get him.
That's all I got. I'm walking on. Drink your food then. Drink. Drink your food. I'll get tipped all over the place now. Tiger. Come on, sweetie. Get it, Tiger. Get it, Tiger. Get it, Tiger. That's the way. Get it. Jump on it. What do you, Ginger? Tiger. There's a bucket, huh? Scratch his head, eh? You never know.
They're brother and sister, so they're only playing. They're not fighting each other. We'd stop them if they were fighting each other.
Real fight, real fight,
Yeah, because they're playing around and they went a bit too far. You were not. You were tired yesterday, weren't you, Fanta?
Right. All the beaten up here and all over the house everywhere.
Where are they?
Come here, Vic, come here.
Oh, she's beating up Tiger. Oh no, that's not fair, Tiger. Tiger's gone back there behind the sofa. Tiger and fighting like a man. Get him! There's Tiger in his box, waiting. Oh, they're trying to fight through the box doors. Go! Ganda! Gabby! I have to edit that out now. It's fine, I'm editing this video anyway. I can make it like an action video, so just go.
Oh, we are then.
She's shutting the door on him. No, get it, get out of my house. No. I said get out of my house. Come here.
Get it, Tiger. Just playing it a minute.
Oh.
When I got it as quick as I yesterday, she was hiding. Because the sausage would come down, she had a big car. You see nothing.
No, sassy now, so she's all like confident now, like I'm gonna win. Ooh, that was a good one.
Different smells over here. See, they get used to the smells, don't they? Once you get used to the smells, you don't have them.
Ooh, she's bouncing back.
You have a fight with it, right?
Sure, she ran away.
Please come in, look out.
Come
in. Tiger.
Tiger! Fanta, get him!
Get it, Tiger.
Everyone say who you think's gonna win, Fanta or Tiger? You put hashtag whatever you wanted to win, like hashtag Tiger, hashtag Fanta, either one.
I think you draw. See?
I think Tiger's gonna win because he's like more strong. Oh, he's in the box. Oh, now your cat's a loony. He's knocked over the bin. Shut the door on him. Shut the door on him.
She's done a date with the bloody door.
She's like looking at the bin now, like, why did you do that? She's looking at the bin now, like, why did you do that? Oh, he's poked his hand out. Oh, look, see, they've shut the door on each other.
Come on, Ty.
There we go.
Come out and get him.
Oh, don't worry, you can cheat this is good back, don't worry.
Nan, we're having a boxing match here. Grandpa's already swore.
What is it?
So I already said the B word.
What is it?
You said get a little.
Oh, B.
Yeah,
I didn't swear.
you did.
I said get a little bitch, I said.
Exactly!
That's not swearing.
No, that's two.
She's a bitch.
I don't call her a bitch.
She's a bitch.
Yeah, I know. Oh my
What do you
god.
call a girl dog in? Bitch.
No, I
You
don't.
don't say,
Oh, for God's
girly
sake.
dog, girly dog, it's a
It's
bitch.
different when you call a person a bitch.
I didn't
Oh,
I didn't
okay.
call you a bitch today. If I called you a bitch, you'd be a girl, you're a fairy, you're a puff.
Right, guys, don't listen. Don't say anything like what we're saying now to a
Say it to the
human,
boy,
okay?
Cat.
Say it to a
boy.
cat, because a cat's a cat.
There's a girl. If she's a bitch, she needs a tomcat. Can I have his nuts cut off?
He's crazy. He's gonna cut his nuts off.
No, the vet is going to do it. Having nuts yet.
Don't worry, he might have a cat's got his nuts cut off. Ooh.
Come on, Tiger, get him and sort it out. Tiger, oh.
He's like, why have you got a camera?
He's thinking, oh, yeah, that's a strange looking person. Everything else.
He's like, why are you recording me?
Come here, girl. You can watch her. He was doing over the house yesterday, exactly what she's doing over here today. Diving at her like she's diving at him. She's getting the better of him for a minute.
So far, it ain't looking good for Tiger. Ooh. I can't get this on camera. It's too hard on an angle. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm getting rid of this.
Why?
No.
You go right in round it now. You're going to phone now. You're finding now. Go.
She got her toys in there.
You go in there now.
She can't have her toys for a bit. We're having a boxing match. Ooh! Who slammed his head on the door then?
That's a good one, eh? No, because now we're getting that back. Now we're having that. You'll be meowing now. You're crying.
Make him cry. Make him cry, Fanta.
You're making her cry in pain now. Look at you now. They say, now we got to do it back. I said, go on, come here, you bitch. He said, come on. Now we got to take it head on.
Everything noticed that is different when they're over here, isn't it?
So she's doing exactly what he was doing over there.
Yeah, because this is her domain.
Yeah.
This is where she lives. This is her Pride Rock. This is Disney now. We gotta keep it PG. So this is her Pride Rock. She is Scar and she is Mufasa. Or he's the hyenas and she's the Mufasa.
It's a different house, wasn't it? And because of Sassy.
Sassy's scary as well. If you don't know, Sassy is a big cat that lives in the house with Tiger.
Sassy was spacing at them.
So they're being very scared of Sassy. Yeah, Sassy isn't
Yeah,
you?
because she growled at him and he told her
He
off.
was playing with
Told her off,
her,
didn't
eh?
he?
One playing with her.
No, when she was...
Oh, there he is. He's looking like Scar.
No, when water.
One water.
One water, and I put a soft food in that one, and a hard food in the other one.
Yeah, the Toy Story box
You've
is...
got water and food.
No, I got water, no food in the other one.
You grey one.
Yeah, I got
What's
water,
in that?
just water in the one, nothing in the other.
Why did you do that then?
Like, what did I just say to you?
Why did you mix this food up?
I put the dry food in the Toy Story dish.
And the wet food in the grey dish, and then the water in the grey dish as well.
I bought him some treats today.
Why don't take my tea, Mom?
Oh, she just been upstairs in Cindy's room, lying on a mat at Cindi-rose in the sun. After she massacred her kitchen first. Oh, the three of us was upstairs on the landing, cleaning up on the landing upstairs. I think it was the...
What's all this stuff out?
I was the electrical man.
I get a good...
Oh,
for God's sake!
Good girl, good girl. You turn tight.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I don't want them up on my tobacco.
No, because they'll smoke it. They'll smoke all the tobacco.
No, they won't smoke all the tobacco, you think she tips it all.
No, yeah, exactly. So they'll smoke
First
it.
time she went with my tobacco, she tipped it and it went in her eye. And she was like that for ages.
It's burnt, isn't it?
I thought you won't come up here again.
She tried.
It's like having smoke in your eye, isn't it? And nicotine in it.
Oh no, I had to go up in the attic and get a new suitcase down.
Background music is the TV. Watching the Bagel and Becky show.
Dry food.
Dun 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 dun.
That's
The Bagel and
that's
Becky
what I wanted to show you,
show.
what in the packet.
The Bagel and Becky show.
Over behind.
That blue thing.
No, that's the
it.
next,
Fanta,
next to that.
Fanta.
It's the 800 and something grams.
In a
Give me
box.
pants.
No, in a packet.
I can't see the back.
No, it's
Come on, I want up close with you.
So mine's two.
Fanta.
Mine's 2 litre, 2 kilos. 800 is less than a kilo.
Yeah.
And how much you pay for it? £2.
£2.
Well, I mean, mine's cheaper, right? Mine's only got a bit of that.
£2 for that. And it's 12 sachets. It's empty. Because you just knock the box the back thing over.
Nutty flavour on it.
No, that's the one that you fucking digged after.
Oh, now we have to edit that.
So now every daughter's house goes up there now. Look on the mantelpiece. Stand up there. Up there by the...
No jumps.
There's some in there. Later. You put in the bin, didn't you?
Yeah.
You took the bin, didn't you?
Well, I know that.
So there's it in the bin now. Where are they licking?
Licking the packet.
She's licking the morsels and he's pinching her food.
Oh, today she actually went to the toilet and covered it.
Good girl.
And I told her she was a good girl as well.
Oh, guys, I didn't record it though. I would have, but I was already uploading the video and I had to.
She came out and was digging outside the tray. Then she went in. Then she went back in the tray and covered it.
If he thinks it's not covered enough, you dig outside on his food. It's like burying his food.
Yeah.
Be nice. Right, Fanta's going off then.
Be nice, he said. And what did she do to you this morning?
But he climbed up my leg and
Gagged it.
No. What did she jump on?
What do you say?
my leg.
No. What do you call her?
What do you call her?
Oh,
What did you call her then when she's gagged your leg and climbed
oh no,
bitch.
no, she hit me spuds. I was by here and I had my hands like that and I moved my hands a bit and she went
Sweet dick.
and I was like,
That's what I said to tell you what he calls her. His spuds.
Oh, you're just dead.
I was going to call him something else. I was being like, oh, my nuts.
Then 2 veg.
Nuts.
And I went to go call him on my nuts and I was like,
2
no.
veg, is it?
Hey, gimming.
He's not going to have it longer. He's been 6 months, he's going to move off.
Bye-bye,
And
nuts.
then cut off.
Come in.
Everyone, let's make a parody of R.I.P. Tiger's nuts.
Who's come in, Tigger?
Oh, look.
Who's come come in.
Oh, Tiger's scared now.
Gonga's all that's come in. That's what it is.
Oh no! Look! It's Godzilla to the cat!
Logan.
He pushed to be a dinosaur. Arr.
Cindy, do me a favour.
Don't worry. I'll edit in a dinosaur effect.
That one is the packet of food. We'll put in that bowl there.
Fantastic.
One of the ones you clean up? No, the other one.
Fantastic.
Share.
Fantastic.
Greedy bee probably be it. Oh, greedy won't come in their face because you were there.
Yes, we do
Greedy boys there with Santa. Cuphead and Batman.
What the fuck? She
Lift it up the thing.
You think you missed that, look.
No, I got it. I got it on camera right now.
She took the whole thing. After the thing.
She's taking the whole thing out of the box that Tiger's eating from.
Yeah, so you can't have it. You would give away everything. You're having nothing.
No, you're having
She
nothing.
left half in there for him.
I like all this food now for that.
She's never done that before.
That's
She haven't known to shave
That's
it
if you-
before.
That's because the owner don't want to share their stuff. Selfish. You selfish ginger bitch.
I get shave again.
Look at that, look at that. Look at them both sitting down.
Oh, but in all fairness, Dan, it's only a little thing, so you couldn't get two heads in there, really, you know.
Yeah.
Yours is bigger. Yours is wider, isn't it? No, yours is wider.
Oh, his head. Oh, yeah, his head's tons more wider than that.
Like a room to share.
Well, that's what I mean, but she hasn't got a shave. Okay, wait a minute.
Thunder.
What are you doing? Leave it. She loves him when he loves him when she comes
No,
to finish
Dad. There's freaking cat litter by it.
Oh, you don't bother, eat that,
I don't want to eat the bloody cat litter, man.
right?
Look, there's cat litter on the floor. Like, legitimately, there's cat litter all
Would you
over
want
the
to eat
over
it?
there. All over the planet is cat litter. Cat litter by the litter box. Cat litter in the litter box. And a donkey. The cat litter is ordered by the cat. The cat.
That's what she done, that. No. Yeah, because she couldn't get in there to get any out. No. Remember I said I couldn't find it because she knocked my picture down. I couldn't find it. And I found them no teeth marks in it.
Leave it in there. Leave it.
That's fine then.
Hey, show my camera. How could you not? You didn't show the camera.
Oh.
You shouldn't
Yeah,
chuck 'em in the
exactly.
bin, you should chuck 'em in the big bin.
Look, guys, there's bites and scratch marks. And on the back up there, look. That's naughty.
No, it's because she wanted to get some.
I want food. Taken to the extreme.
What's food?
Cindy's legs are in
Don't
the way.
eat food.
Cindy's off to Primark in a bit, guys. That means me and Nan are playing on a game.
I'm off to Primark, I'm off to Marcelon,
She's off to everywhere.
I'm off to...
Because she's going on holiday to Turkey. Yeah. Cindy's going to Turkey. Yeah. So yeah, we won't see her many
Look
more.
how lovely my life is. I just found 20 quid in my pocket and I fucking was out. Just carrying money around everywhere. I found 10 in my coat the other day.
Oh wow.
Just
Oh my
and I
God.
just found £20 in this pocket.
You got more money inside.
Oh, it's going good, isn't it? My day's going good already.
She's just found her 20 quid in the pocket.
in my other jacket when I go to work.
There you go. And then you scrape it.
Well, you used to do that.
What is it?
You used to leave money in his
Oh, we
pocket.
got money in every pocket.
Oh,
my
look,
green coat
guys,
on the
here's
other day,
Fanta.
And it was £10 in the pocket.
Do you want to see
And then
Fanta
I
up
put
close?
My work coat
Wait,
on,
Fanta.
it's £1.50 in the pocket. And I've just put this coat on and it's £10 pocket.
Oh, poor Fanta. Should we pick Fanta up, guys?
1,000 quid, eh?
Huh?
Another only.
Oh,
Take all the other coats.
Take all the other coats, taking all the money in.
I know I can play them all, so I probably have got money in them.
Probably.
Alright guys, that will be the end of the
I
video
got-
until
I
the
got a
cat
pound in
stop
mine, I got a
fighting
pound in mine.
I
again.
got a penny in mine.
So,
Watch.
Oh look, on his 40p on the
wait.
window over here.
That's mine.
run, Cindy, run!
40p, calm down.
Did you go? I think she ran away with the money.
Watch now, Dad, you cut the tea because he sat on the table under there. You tip it. That's why I'm saying
How
it,
can you
Jim.
bloody tip a table?
Because you could jump and knock and tip your cup. But he's like sat on the one part of the leg of the table.
There we go.
No, we did. Out! I was scratched.
Oh, you think they dropped all your Pokemon
Yeah, I was
cards?
scratched. I'd buy one of them.
Dave, what?
Gosh, I don't even remember where I got it from. She described it.
Down the Tesco's, I said,
I don't know. I think I just, no, in fact, I think
They've
I-
knocked my Pokemon cards, guys.
Only a piece of, like,
Yeah, it's not very
honest thing
embossing.
with,
Oh, it's fine. I'll sort them out after.
like sandpaper on it.
Yeah.
Salt and then grit.
She'd rather take it then.
Right, guys, I'm going to make this another part. If the things start fighting again, I'll record. But I'll probably go get my phone now so Nan can play the game. And I'll record the game for us. Or Nan can record me playing on the game.
I'm not playing on that game no more.
Okay, well, I'll play on the game then and you can
Stresses
record me.
out.
Well, I'll play on the game again, guys. Hopefully, if today, maybe we can get Nan to play on it, but probably not.
Fluffy and everything?
Oh no,
Yeah,
it's
is
for
that
2
your
feet.
phone
It's
up
for
on
2
top
feet.
of their box?
No.
No, that's Cindy's.
Good.
I put it down by you just in case they jump up and knock the box.
Right. Bye, guys. We're going to see you in a bit because I'm going to be, well, Nan's going to be recording me playing the game.